Block. Okay? Then I switch here. We block. Now I lock this. Now I switch. Don't stay in one place more than 2 seconds.
No estar más de 2 segundos o 2 segundos en cada paso.
If he has weak footwork, less than 10 seconds, it's already down. Footwork is the magic. The magic, it's not up here, not much. The footwork. Okay? The footwork. Maintain your distancing. Because without footwork, so many things happening here, and your footwork don't know what's going on. Okay? Your mind should already be noticing and moving forward. You maintain that distance. Dabei. Block, okay? Or block. Okay? So 3 ways. Block regular, or block forward. It's up to you. This one is just a representation for a thrust. From here, see? That's actually, if you block there, my elbow comes in. You know why? You know why I know you all can do it? If me at 60 years old can do it, you should be ashamed of that. I'll be 60 years old in July 1st. Okay, so you have no excuse. Because the brain, no matter how old you are, even 70, you start exercising, in less than 3 months, it adapts. So people who complain of age, I call them lazy.
Práctica de 2 o 3 meses ya cambia el chip. Salto a la persona que dice que no quiere entrenar, los llama vagos.
There's no excuse. It's the calidad. It's the quality of life. You might be 35 años, and I tell them, who wants to be 65 years old but healthy, or 26 años but sickly?
O sea, cuando hace la pregunta a una persona de 65 años, ¿qué prefieres? ¿Llegar a los 65 pero con salud o tener 26 y estar totalmente hecho polvo?
So, the age of the person doesn't matter. It's how you take care of your body and your mind. Okay? Número. There are 2 kinds of ages, chronological and biological.
Hay 2 tipos de edad, la cronológica y
so you might be 26 years old, chronological. You mean you were born so and so date? What year? 1981. So he's 33? About 33. So he might be 33 years old, but then not him, but representing him. 33, but inside, the way he feels, the way he moves, is like 66.
La
Because-
se mueve con 65.
Let's say because, for example, he smokes a lot, mucho toma, one day the whole bottle. So it's the biological age that's more important, not the chronological age.
El biológico más importante.
It's how you eat, exercise, and then here, it's how you think.
Como pensáis,
Life is not life without problems. So problems are there all the time.
o sea, la vida sin problemas pues, o sea,
The only time you have no problems, no matter how small, medium, or big,
los problemas son pequeños, medios o grandes,
is when you're 6 feet under the ground.
pero el problema grande es estar bajo tierra.
Okay? So there's always solution to every problem. That's part of living.
O sea, la parte de la vida es que cada problema tiene una solución.
So same thing with the spirit, the movement.
Simplemente del país es lo mismo.
So that's my principle. If I can do it, you will be able to do it as well.